In this video, I will discuss a website that I believe is better than Midjourney, and the best part is, it's completely free of cost. Leonardo.AI is an AI-powered content creation tool that allows you to create high-quality content in minutes. The tool uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to generate human-like content on any topic. To get started with Leonardo.AI, you need to sign up for an account on their website. The sign-up process is straightforward, and all you need to do is provide your name, email address, and create a password. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the Leonardo.AI dashboard, where you can start creating content. The first step is to choose a content template that matches your content needs. Leonardo.AI offers a variety of templates to choose from, including blog posts, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. Select the one that matches your content needs. Once you have selected a template, the next step is to provide input for the content. This includes the topic, keywords, and any specific requirements for the content. You can also provide a brief for the content if necessary. After providing input, click on the Generate Content button, and Leonardo.AI will use its NLP and ML algorithms to create content that matches your input. The tool will generate multiple variations of the content, and you can choose the one that best matches your needs. You can generate multiple images from a number of images, up to 8 images. The more images you use, the more tokens you lose. You can change the dimensions of your image from here and adjust them based on your requirements. You can also upscale your image on this website. Click on this button to start the image upscaling process. Once you have selected the content variation you want, you can edit it to suit your needs. Leonardo.AI has a built-in editor that allows you to make changes to the content, including adding images, videos, and links. Once you are satisfied with the content, you can publish it on your website or social media channels. In conclusion, Leonardo.AI is a powerful tool for content creation that uses NLP and ML algorithms to generate high-quality content in minutes. If you enjoy this video, kindly show your appreciation by clicking the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support will motivate me to continue creating and uploading more videos. Thank you for watching this video.